Linking your bank account to Wealthfront is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create or log into your Wealthfront account. Visit the Wealthfront website or open the app. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are a new user, follow the prompts to create an account. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, locate the funding or account section in the dashboard. This is where you will find options to link your bank account. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the funding section, look for the option that says Link Bank Account or similar. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your information, Wealthfront may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Wealthfront into your account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to Wealthfront, allowing for seamless transactions and management of your investments. If you encounter any issues, consult Wealthfront's customer support for assistance.